Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how I do these 2-strand twists in Zoelle's hair. So let's just get started. Okay, so right now we are on second day hair. So I washed her hair 2 days ago, and it's just a lot easier to style her hair when it's the second day. It's just, when it's freshly washed, it's kind of harder to style. So right now I'm just creating a side part. So this is where I'm going to start my first section of the 2-strand twist. You can create whatever kind of part you want. If you want triangle, round, square, however you want your parts to be. You don't have to like copy exactly how I'm parting it. You can do whatever part you want, but I'm just going to start off with this side part. So now I'm going to detangle this section, and in this water spray, it's just a little bit of coconut oil and some water. So I'm using that just to detangle her hair. You never want to detangle like kids' hair when it's dry because it hurts them, and that's what makes them hate, hair time because, you just want to be really gentle when you do like baby kids' hair. And so for gel, I am using this Cantu styling custard. It smells so like really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all over this section just to smooth it down and make it look more neat. And then I'm going to take a soft brush and start brushing it up into a ponytail. And I am using a rubber band just to secure the ponytail. So this is how your ponytail should look. And so what I'm going to do is separate it into two sections, and then I'm going to take one of the sections and separate that even like more into two sections. I don't know if you get what I mean, but just rewind it and you'll see what I mean. So I'm basically just going to start 2-strand twisting, and within this ponytail I'm going to create 2-strand twists. So not just one big one, I'm creating two, and I only do this for the front ponytail because I think it just adds a little bit more like volume. And then when you're done twisting, you just want to go ahead and secure it with a rubber band, and that's just going to give the barrettes something to grip onto so that they don't fall out throughout the day. And now I'm just going on to the other side of her hair, and I'm just gonna again create another section. And that's basically it. I mean, it's pretty easy, it's really repetitive, and it doesn't take that long. Depending on how big you do your sections, it shouldn't take that long, and it's repetitive, so it's really easy and it can go by quick. So, like I said, just depending on your sections, it depends on how long, but it's really easy. So I'm just basically repeating that same process that we did on the other side of the hair, just spraying her hair with some of that coconut oil and water, and then using some of that styling custard. And then we're gonna smooth out the hair with the brush and then just secure it with a rubber band. So it's pretty much, repetitive, like I said, throughout the whole entire hair. So I'll probably speed up this process in the back. I'm gonna be showing you, but I'm not gonna be explaining it because you'll be able to see because it's repetitive. Okay. So I know you guys are always like, wow, she's so good when you do her hair. How is she so good? My child is horrible. This is all you have to put on. Alright, you guys, so after the whole hair is finished, what I like to do is just add a little bit of oil to her scalp. This is almond oil. It just really promotes hair growth. It has vitamin E in it. It's just really good, you know, for your scalp and your hair. Now time for them baby hairs. All we're using is some jam, that extra hold, and a toothbrush. And y'all know I always got to do her baby hairs. I just think it like frames her face. It just looks so cute and it's just so satisfying to watch. All right, you guys, so we are finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you try this. Um, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Our links will be down below in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.